How to create an employee record in JDE. We will start by clicking on the menu button, then go to ISS menu, next Human Resources, and then Applicants. Here you will click on New Employee Hire. Once in the New Employee Hire screen, we will first search for the applicant's Social Security number to ensure there is not an existing record in the system. Once you search, if nothing populates, we will delete that Social Security number and click on the plus sign to create a new record. First, we will enter the Home Business Unit as well as the Security Business Unit the applicant will be in, followed by the applicant's name. Please remember to enter last name first on this line, followed by the applicant's tax ID or Social Security number. Once that is entered, we will enter the employee's mailing name. How do we want the name to appear on any correspondence sent to the employee? Next, enter the employee's date of birth, and that will be followed by the employee's mailing address. Now please keep in mind that all fields with a blue star next to them are required fields in the system and must be populated in order to be able to proceed. Once you enter the employee's street address, you will enter the city. Address line 2 can be used for things such as an apartment number or suite number. Enter the state, followed by the zip code. Please keep in mind the zip code does require the 4-digit extension. The system also requires the county the employee is in. This information can be located on USPS.com by looking up the employee's address. Next, we will locate the employee's job type. What job type is this employee being hired for? You can use your search function. Click on the magnifying glass to expand the list. Once you locate the job type the employee is being hired for, you will go ahead and select it. In this case, we're selecting a janitor. Click on your OK button, and that populates the code for you. Next, we're going to enter the information off of the employee's application. The ethnic code, again, you can use your search function. Select the one the employee chose and click the OK button. We're going to enter the applicant's gender and employment status. Is this a regular or temporary employee? Followed by the veteran status, disability status as well. This is all based off of what the employee entered on their application. Now, next, we do have a new field that is a mandatory field going forward. The system is now requiring you to enter either a smartphone or a non-smartphone for the applicant. So this would be either a smartphone being an iPhone or an Android phone, something that has internet and email capabilities, or a non-smartphone would be your older phones such as your flip phones. You do not need to enter dashes in the phone number. Simply enter the area code followed by the 7-digit phone number, and you are not required to enter both a smart and non-smartphone number. It's either one or the other. So in this instance, we did enter a smartphone. Once you enter that information, you are next required to enter a personal email address for the employee. If the employee states they do not have an email, please ask for a family member's email or ask if they can create an email address while they are there. This is now a required field. Next, we go to emergency contact information. Now, the emergency contact field does require you to enter both an emergency contact name as well as an emergency contact phone number. So if you are going to be entering emergency contact information, both of these fields must be filled out in order for the system to allow you to proceed. Otherwise, it will error out. So once you enter an employee's emergency contact name and emergency contact phone number information, you are ready to click the OK button to generate that employee record. You click the green check mark, which is your OK button. This will take you back to the main new employee hire screen and populate the fields with the new employee record that you just entered in the system. And this is how we create a new employee record in JDE.